Welcome back, my beautiful people. If it's your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. The fear of Kwebe legal team, my people, don't make you return back to factory setting. Hey, this guy has gone back to his movie production, JJ. Ever since we say he received letter for Kwebe legal team, say he has started again. He don't begin, they go against the rules and regulation wey dem give am for court. Say he should stay away from anything that has to do with granting public interviews. Say the last podcast wey he released, dem see everything. Say since he doesn't want to learn jejely, my people, he doesn't want to learn softly, he's going to learn the hard way. Now so in lawyers, they received the letter from Kwebe legal team wey dey warn am. See anything that has to do with podcasts, say he should stay away from it. But since he wants to do his own representation by himself, e be like say they will have to withdraw their self from the case. May no go disgrace them for court before they go talk. Say, look at the client you are representing. See how he has ridiculed you people. In fact, he doesn't even listen to you people again. Now so they write and say they want to withdraw themselves from the case. So my people, you edochie, out of fear, began to beg them. Say make them no vex, so all these things. Say he's very, very sorry and everything. They come and tell us that this one is not a matter of you are sorry. Why is it that you don't want to obey the court order? You don't want to obey the court. Everything that has to do with the court, you don't want to obey it. Stay away from anything that has to do with you granting public interviews until this case is over. The court is going to sit by October now. What are you going to tell the judge will make you they grant podcast up and down? What are you going to? Don't you know that you are going to make us look stupid in the eyes of the judge and everybody who did the court there? Say, you be like say this is our client, a person, una no fit controller. Since say he won't claim say he ain't wise, he ain't get sense, he sabi things. Now he don't already the disgrace una now for social media. Now he be say even una we be in lawyer, una no know what una they do. Say you the cannot come and rubbish their law firm. How much they spend for law school? We say they suffer before they get called to bar, my people. Before they get their certificate and everything, you want to rubbish them. Now so they talk say, may he begin they find another lawyer who will represent her for court. Say because since he doesn't want to obey the court order that says he should stay away from anything that has to do with bringing the information of the divorce court online. Since he doesn't want to obey it, he should start looking for another legal team that will represent him. Now so fear, my people, catch you edochie. He started begging. Say he's very, very sorry and everything. Before na so guy man explain everything to Juju to see waiting in legal team talk. Or say may he begin from now and they look for another law firm we go represent her. Katakata, my people, bust. Now so Juju to call the tell and say this one a real problem. Because looking for another legal team now extra money. That means that they will have to start from where this their own lawyer stop, and for them to even go all over the case again, that one is a separate money on its own. Where the money dey? This is what we say they just they manage themselves and everything. Now so then tell you edochie and in concubine, my people, Joekwesu, both of them started begging edochie's current lawyer and legal team. Say me they no vex, so say they are sorry and everything. And he promised them that he's not going to grant any more podcasts because I don't already want her right now. Say if he grant any more granting of podcasts, they are going to finally withdraw themselves because he cannot come and be disgracing them online. May no be like say maybe they no go fit control their clients. Their clients don't pass them. He knows more than them, and they call themselves legal counsel, my people. And they call themselves learned colleagues. Now so you edochie comot himself for sharply. Say he's very sorry. Before now this guy had to go back to factory setting. He had to go back to his Nollywood production where they do jejely to avoid stories that touches the heart. He does not want people to start accusing him. Say yes, so say now him be the source of the problem. That is why he had to go back to factory setting on time. Maybe in legal team, make them no go vex, drop in case. For those be my people, say he should go and look for another counsel that will represent him. That's one I say this guy now don't return back to factory setting now. He has gone back to his day 1, day 2 production to avoid stories that touches the heart, because he knows that anything will make a lawyer's then vex say they know they represent them again for cost now extra money. And then you say lawyers these days they are not cheap. And for his case that is very very complicated like this, when we say he claims say he be celebrity Odogwu, now extra money. Guy man had to advise himself, my people. Say may he no go use a hand scatter things for himself before these people they go vex. In fact they go even block in line anytime we call it, they don't go even pick him again. Now so now say Organa don't return to day 1, day 2 production. Now they see you don't they face in business and we say they do use and they get small change now. Now they see Oga himself, he knows say he don't already cast. So you know what me lawyers made them cast her. May no be say they will come fly the news saying lawyers that they don't dump in case. In fact, they don't throw in case to dustbin because of what, because they don't want to hear word. Say they claim say now only and wise pass. The Kukuma say may Kukuma can't defend himself by himself for court, or he should go and look for another legal representative, my people. Now so you reach a fear how to return to day 1, day 2 because of waiting. He knows that anything will make them talk say they know they do again. Why don't they for her? And maybe I don't forget say he is trying as much as possible to get custody of that mansion. So that is why he will not want to do anything that would jeopardize his chances of getting the custody of that place, of that house, of him getting that house. So Organa is being very very careful, because he knows that anything like this, any mistake like this, if it costs him a lot of things. Even Juju Austin himself, be like that one too don't tell her, say, may the Kukuma leave this thing, may they leave her. May do be saying that because of this thing now, wahala will come cause. Katakata will come boss for online. Because a lot of people are already saying the same thing. That made them don't worry. That thing, what we say they don't want, that word we say they don't want hear, they will hear it at the end of the day. What they see, huh? Because when I say guy man, they like competition. He likes to compete well. So he himself, he is trying to maintain that status of celebrity for online. So he himself is being very, very careful. He is being very, very careful. He does not want problem for himself. Because he knows if he do anything like this, we online, we go laugh at. Say she be we tell her. So a guy like this, he don't want anything that will make him to become weak in the eyes of social media in-laws. He is seriously being careful. He does not want any problem at all. That will lead to him being disgraced online. That is why this guy, people, is being very, very careful. So as they don't want her like this, he is being very, very careful. He doesn't want any problem for himself. Now they see her. Organa don't go back to factory setting. Last. Out of fear of waiting, of say he no get money. Out of fear of waiting, he does not want to start all over again. As Taduko looking for lawyers that will represent him, because he knows that money he go spend. I bet my beautiful people, if you never subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share this video. And thank you so much for watching.